Hi folk, and welcome back. Well, tonight we're going to do the Stacy challenge. He wants me to recreate an old lure. So, you know what? I'm just going to jump in here and let's get her done. I'm going to do my best to recreate this because you can't really tell the colors on it real well. So I'm going to jump in here and do it ugly dog style. So we're going to start this bait. We're going to paint the belly. It's going to be tangerine with white. We're trying to get a peachy color. So let's just jump in here and see what we can get done. It may take me a minute to get the mix right on this, but whatever. We'll get there. I still actually think that that's probably a little bit too orange. But we'll see here in just a second.
It's too orange, huh?
Still too orange.
I got a pink.
Let me add just a little bit more of this white. See if we can get it kindly to a peachy looking color. So now we're going to add a little bit of red. See if we can get it to our peach color. Don't know if we can or not. But we're going to try. So I think I'd be better to go to Hobby Lobby and buy some peach paint.
You can't.
But I can't today. So, see. So I think what I'll do is maybe Monday we'll run up and get some.
Spray it and see what it looks like.
Alright.
Just faint.
Touch of peach there. It's still a little bit heavy for my gun. Don't want to do that, I want to do this. So, we'll see. No, we're going to spray it on there and see what we come up with. That's about the color we got. That's as close to peach as I can get. So, yeah, I think I can move that through that gun easy enough. And it's just the belly that gets that. So let's jump in here and see if we can get it a little bit put on that belly. That might be fairly close. So let's heat set that and we'll throw another coat on there and move on. Okay, look peachy enough. That's peachy. Ain't that a peach? She's just over there shaking her head, folks. So the next color we're going to be shooting on there is cadmium yellow. So let's just mix our cadmium yellow up here. That might be a little bit bright. Don't know. Can't tell a whole lot from the pictures. I'm just trying to have to get it as close as I can.
Add a little bit of that gold in it.
Yeah, I'm fixing to. I put that gold up. I'm either going to add gold or I'm going to add tan. I think I'm going to put honey brown in it. Just a few drops. And see where we go from there. That changed it.
That's a good color.
Yeah, I think that's about the color that we're after. So let's jump in here and we'll just paint the whole thing. Then come back with our top coat. Oops. That don't look bad at all. I think that's about the color that I want, babe.
I think it's a good color.
Let's clean the brush out. That's almost a yellow ochre. That's what that is. And sometimes you just got to do stuff to figure out what you want to do. So our next color we're going to be running with is a Hauser dark green. And it's going to just be up here on the back of this bait. And it's Hauser dark green. It's a deco art. Color. So, let's get us a little drop or two of it in there. And a little bit of thinner and go to it. It's pretty dark. And then we need to add just a little bit of this in there. What that is, it's going to give it a shimmer. It's an iridescent. It's going to give that top coat a shimmer. And we'll use the same paint to do the spots on the sides. You see that shimmer? Yeah, I know you can see it. I know you're not as blind as I am. I keep throwing everything on the floor, folks. It's that kind of a day. So, that's probably more than we need. So, then we'll lay another coat on it. You see the shimmer now? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and bust that nose out green. Well, Mr. Stacy, I'm doing the best I can do with this one. I think it looks okay.
I think it looks nice.
We got a few more steps to go. Look, folks, I'm touching the computer. Where's that stupid mousy thing? So what we're going to do now, folks, is we're going to dot this thing. Then we're going to be using these little bitty mini brushes to do this. And it's just got random 3-dot patterns on it and 2-dot patterns, so that's kind of what we're going to do here. So we're going to turn that dude at kind of a little bit of an angle. And we're going to just put some dots. Like he's got a couple of dots behind his eye. And we'll jump out here and do a 3-dot. Howdy folks, and welcome back. Mr. Stacy challenged me to recreate a bait and get it as close to the original as I could, and this is what we recreated for Mr. Stacy. It was a challenge, but it is a recreation challenge. So on this bait, it's a 1.5 square bill, and it's got number 6 Mustad hooks, number 5 rings, Hauser green and iridescent green I mixed to get the top. The side is a cadmium yellow, and the belly on this is tangerine. It's got a few drops of white and a few drops of red in it to get that kind of peachy color on the bottom. So Mr. Stacy, there's your bait recreated. It was a real pleasure to do this for you, and I'll get to do some more of these, I'm sure, like this. But that's it. There she blows, folks. It's a good looking little bait. One of my favorite baits I've done here lately. It's an old bait too. But remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel, and hit that notification bell down there in the corner. And y'all have a blessed week, and I'll catch you later.